What they've added now is if you go to a posted GL entry record, there's actually a new button up on the ribbon, a new option called dimension corrections. The next one, also dimension related, is what's called dimension corrections. And so in this scenario, let's say I posted that purchase invoice for advertising, and I hit my sales department. And then I posted it, and someone's, let's say the department manager is looking at their financials, their income statement for their month. And they look at this and they see an advertising expense and they go, wait, whoa. This should not have hit my department. This should have hit the marketing department, not the sales department, right? So today, what you'd have to do to correct that is you'd have to go do a journal entry, just a non-related journal entry to reclass that from the sales department to the marketing department.
Okay.
So what they've added now is if you go to a posted GL entry record, there's actually a new button up on the ribbon, a new option called dimension corrections. And if you click on that, it opens a window. And in the window, you can see all the different dimensions that were assigned to that GL entry. And in there, you can actually choose to say, I want to correct this, and you can pick a different dimension.
Very nice.
And then you hit run, and it kind of behind the scenes, it says, okay, this has been scheduled for changing. So it kind of runs it for you. And it doesn't just update the entry, it actually writes an audit trail. So you actually have on that same page, you can go into, and there's actually another option called dimension correction history. So you actually could see that on this date, someone went in and they changed this from sales to marketing.
Nice.
There's also an undo button.
Really?
So you could undo the change and revert it back to the original
Pretty nice.
entry. So again, well done. It works. It did what it said it was going to do.